Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to download and install wireless display on your Windows 11 and mirror your smartphone to your Windows 11. Okay, so for this guys, first you need to enable this feature on your PC. To enable this guys, open the settings, go to system and scroll down and find out optional features. Click and open it, and here you can get the option add an optional feature. Just click on view feature, and here you need to search wireless display. Check this box and then click on next and then click on install. So it will install, so wait for a few minutes. After the installation process was completed, I will show you the next method. So as you can see guys, our wireless display was successfully installed. Now you can close these settings. If you want to use this, press Windows key button and simply here you need to search wireless display and open it. So before opening, I want to pin this in my start menu. Right click on it, pin to start, that's it. Okay, open the start menu. Here you can get the wireless display option. Just open it in your smartphone. You can get the option like Smart View, Connect or Cast. This kind of option you can get in your phone. Just open it and then you can get your laptop name or PC name on your phone. From here you can easily able to connect your phone. Okay, so that's it for today guys. Hope you enjoy this video. If you enjoy, please guys like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.